How to use your Ozempic pen. Take your pen and take the lid off. Pick a clean, fresh, unused needle and peel the paper tab off. Screw the inside bit of the needle clockwise onto your pen, righty-tighty. Pull off the outer cap or outer sheath to expose the inner sheath. This is your dosing window, which will display your dose, and this is your dosing dial, which you turn to get your dose. Begin to turn the dial to your recommended dose. This dose would have been given to you in your aftercare email and during your consultation with your medical clinician. If you are unsure of your dose, please contact us before injecting. Take off the inner sheath. This reveals the needle. Hold the pen at a 90-degree angle at your chosen injection site. Pinch a good inch firmly to act as a local numbing agent. Insert the needle. Once you cannot see the needle, press the dosing button and this will administer the dose. Hold in place for a few seconds as it counts down. Then remove the needle from your skin. Pop the outer sheath back over the needle and unscrew the needle counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. Once the needle is removed, dispose of it safely. Pop the lid back on your pen and either store in the fridge or at room temperature. Thank you for watching.